Welcome to this tutorial. In this video, I am going to demonstrate on how to add attachments to a lead and also on how to redirect to the integrated account of the lead. Once the user has navigated to the Leads app, he or she can click on any lead in the landing page. The details view of the lead is displayed. Here, the user can click on the Attachments tab and click on the Add Attachment button. Once clicked, the user can upload the attachment. All the files uploaded via the KEBS bot will be listed here. Once uploaded, the attachment will be displayed on the landing page and a preview of the same can be viewed by clicking on it. The attachment can be downloaded by clicking on the download button. The same can be deleted by clicking the delete button. If the user needs to redirect to the parent account of the particular lead, the user can simply click on the account name that is present within the details view of the particular lead. Thank you for watching.